Hello everyone, good morning students, welcome again. This video is for 6th standard student. Today in this video I am going to give the exercise solution of chapter number 9. So students, open your copy, start writing. And complete your copy up to chapter number 9. Videos are available on the channel of chapter number 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 8 and 9. Videos are available on the channel students. Complete your work in time. And now open your copy and start writing. फर्स्ट थिंग, जितने भी नए स्टूडेंट हैं, न्यू स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग जब भी कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करेंगे हमेशा अपना नाम और सेक्शन ज़रूर मेंशन करेंगे. ऑलवेज मेंशन योर नेम एंड सेक्शन विद योर कमेंट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. एंड आप लोग को वर्क कैसे करना है, आप लोग अपनी कॉपी ओपन कर लीजिए, मोबाइल सामने टेबल पे सेट करिए और साथ साथ में जैसे जैसे मैम यहाँ पे डिक्टेट करते जा रहे हैं लिखते जाइए अपनी कॉपी में और स्पेलिंग भी चेक करते जाइए. ठीक है. इससे क्या होगा, आपका आधे घंटे के अंदर काम कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, कॉपी भी कंप्लीट हो जाएगी और वर्क भी विदाउट एनी मिस्टेक कंप्लीट होगा. ठीक है. तो आप लोग को ऐसे करके मैम के साथ ही वर्क करना है. नाउ आप लोग ओपन कर लीजिए अपनी कॉपी एंड स्टार्ट राइटिंग चैप्टर नंबर 9, क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर. Write down the question number first of answer each in few words only. Question number first. Mention the places where living thing can be found. Write down the answer number first. Mention the places where living things can be found. Write down the answer number first. Living thing can be found in every type of habitat on earth, on land and in lakes, river and oceans. Now write down the next question. What are the things that human being require for survival? Answer is food, clothes, house and air. Complete your answer with the correct spelling. Now write down the question number 3. You finding pair of shoes you bought last year is not fitting to you anymore. Why? Because organisms grow and their size, weight increases. Because organisms grow and their size, weight increases. Now write down the next question. Give an example to show that plant respond to stimuli. Give an example to show that plant respond to stimuli. Write down the answer number 4. The flower of dandelion plants open up in the morning and responds to sunlight. The flower of dandelion plant open in the morning in response to stimuli. Now after this, write down the next part, answer each in 1 or 2 sentences. Next part, answer each in 1 or 2 sentences. Write down the question number first. Name the common characteristics of all living things. Name the common characteristic of all living things. Write down the answer number first. All living organisms share several characteristics: sensitivity or response to environment, reproduction, growth and development. Now write down the next question, question number 2. Name 2 animals which reproduce by giving birth to babies. Example are human and monkey. Part B, by laying egg. Example, frog and lizard. Now write down the third question. What do you understand by the term lifespan of a living thing? Write down the answer number 3. Lifespan, the period of time between the birth and the death of an organism. Lifespan, the period of time between the birth and death of an organism. Now write down the question number 4. Give an example of response to stimuli in plants. Write down the answer number 4. movement or growth of plants towards the light. For example, sunflower turning towards the sun. Now write down the next question. Question number 5. When does respiration take place in plants? When does respiration take place in plants? Write down the answer number 5. Plant during daytime take in carbon dioxide and water to make food and give out oxygen. Plants during daytime take in carbon dioxide and water to make food and give out oxygen. But they respire day and night by taking oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Complete your answer with the correct spelling. Now write down the next question. Question number 6. Why do animals move from one place to another? Write down the answer number 6. Animal mostly move short distances to find food or more favorable living or breeding condition. After this, come to the next part. Answer each in 5-6 sentences. Write down the next part in your copy. Answer each in 5-6 sentences. Question number 1. Why do only living things need food? Write down the answer number 1. Organisms need to take food. Need to take food to get energy to perform life processes. A living organisms undergo many life processes like nutrition, respiration, digestion, excretion, etc. Hence, organisms need to take food. Complete your answer with the correct spelling. Now after this, write down the next question. Question number 2. What is stimuli? Give an example. Write down the question number 2. What is stimuli? Give an example. Write down the answer number 2. Changes in our surrounding. Changes in our surrounding that make living beings respond to them are called stimuli. For example, when it's rain, you run for cover. When it's dark, you switch on the light. Now write down the next question. Question number 3. Explain excretion in animals with example. Explain excretion in animals with an example. All the food eaten by animal is not completely used by the body. All the food eaten by animal is not completely used by the body. A part of food remain unused. A part of food remain unused. This part become waste material and removed from the body. एग्जाम्पल ह्यूमन बीइंग लिख लीजिए आप लोग इसके आगे. एग्जाम्पल में क्या लिखेंगे? ह्यूमन. ह्यूमन रेस्पिरेट. ह्यूमन एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम भी सेम ऐसे ही वर्क करता है. अनयूज पार्ट बिकम वेस्ट मटेरियल एंड रिमूव फ्रॉम द बॉडी. नाउ राइट डाउन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. राइट एनी 5 डिफरेंस बिटवीन लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. So question number 4 का आंसर. Answer of question number 4 is given in your book, page number 83. डिफरेंस बिटवीन लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग. जिनके पास बुक नहीं है मैम ने स्क्रीन में शेयर कर दिया है, आप लोग कर लीजिए. 5 पॉइंट तक लिखेंगे सिर्फ आप यहाँ तक. पॉइंट नंबर 5 पहला है लिविंग थिंग नीड फूड टू लिव, नॉन लिविंग थिंग डू नॉट नीड फूड टू लिव. सेकेंड है दे शो ग्रोथ, दे डू नॉट शो ग्रोथ लाइक लिविंग थिंग्स. दे ब्रीद इन एंड आउट एक्सचेंज गैसेस फॉर रेस्पायरेशन, they do not show respiration. They respond to the changes in surrounding. They do not respond to the changes in the surrounding. They remove waste product from the body. They do not excrete. So right up to the point number 5. Now write down the next question. जिनके पास बुक नहीं है वो भी यहाँ से देख लेंगे. After this, write down the next question. Question number 5. Classify the things around us into living and non-living thing. Give 2 examples of each. Now write down the answer number 5. There are different types of living things present around us. There are different types of living things present around us. Some of these things are living while others are non-living. The things need food. यहाँ पे लिख लीजिए लिविंग थिंग्स, है ना. यहाँ पे लिविंग मेंशन कर लीजिए आप लोग. इस जगह पे लिविंग लिख लीजिए दा के बाद. द लिविंग थिंग्स नीड फूड, वाटर एंड एयर फॉर देयर सर्वाइवल. या द थिंग्स दैट नीड फूड, वाटर एंड एयर फॉर द सर्वाइवल आर लिविंग थिंग. लिखा हुआ है. एग्जाम्पल ह्यूमन, plants, etc. Things which do not need food, water and air are non-living things. Example table, chair, etc. So students, complete your copy up to the chapter number 9. And always mention your name in the comment box with your comment. Okay. Now, thank you.